Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The informations of this video are from Google search. Our topic today is reasons why YouTube removed your video. This question is from Joken Vlog TV. Thank you for asking this question, Joken, and I hope this can answer all your inquiries. So, these are the reasons for your video removal. Number 1, inappropriate content. This means that the video in question has found to violate community guidelines. Number 2, term service violation. This means that the video may have been rejected due to a term of use or copyright violation. Number 3, includes copyright content. This means that the content owner claimed content in your video using YouTube Content ID system. Number 4, video taken down. This means that a copyright owner sent YouTube a complete legal request to take it down. Number 5, trademark issue. This means that the video in question has been found to violate YouTube trademark policy. This is where I got the answers from Google search. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video.